Good morning, peeps. Welcome back to another vlog. I know it's been like a week or two since I uploaded, but like I said, like in the last video, the Evo's in the shop, going to the shop, and yeah, I just don't have a lot of things going on right now, but we do have an upload today. As you can see in the title, it's going to be for the Ram. It's a running board. I've been mentioning this running board for about 2 months now. Finally got to it. Now I'm gonna go to Kiet because all the tools is in the back of the Evo to get it installed. Yeah, should be fairly easy. The bolts already on the bottom of the the connectors is already on the bottom of the truck. All you have to do is use their equipment in there and just use their nuts and stuff and just screw it in. As far as I can tell, it's pretty simple, nothing hard. And also we got Kiet to help us out as well. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit sneak peek of the Evo. Yeah, the Evo is pretty much disassembled right now. There's a lot of stuff going on, and I'll talk about it a little bit, but I'm gonna save most of it for the next video you guys will see, where the Evo is complete with the new products, new parts, and everything like that. But yeah, let's just go ahead and head over to Kiet. Yeah, I just got to pick up something for Kiet over at Caliber Collision, and yeah, meet up with Denny real quick. But let's get a stock cold start. I still love this truck so much. I've been using this truck a lot, and I've been working out a lot in the morning, so just waking up, having the remote starter is amazing. The truck's already warm by the time I get into it. And two, I don't have to put a lot of miles on Evo, but yeah, I can't wait to see how the running board will look. I got, obviously this is a night edition Bighorn, so most of the stuff is already blacked out. Even the mirrors like this right here, the emblems all blacked out. So my running board, naturally I went with a black one. I didn't go for an expensive brand. Bought it on eBay for only 100 bucks. So I'll put the link on the bottom. Hopefully it turns out well. The review is okay, you know, mixed review on it. So we'll see how it looks. But as a daily, I really don't want to put too much money in it. The next mod for this is obviously going to be one of those tri-fold bed covers, possibly tint, and I think that's pretty much it for the truck. I'm not really going to do too many crazy things to it, but yeah, let's hurry up and get over to Kiet's. All right, peeps, got over to the status garage. Whew, did a pickup for Kiet. There it is. Woo. Very nice. Denny just got done painting it, giving it to Kiet for Kim's car. Here's her BRZ. But yeah. What's up, brother?
What's up, man?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm just topping off a little bit of coolant in the reservoir.
Oh man, such a good HUD. Last time I was in this, we got pulled over.
Yeah.
It's still the same. The airbag.
Dude, that week I got pulled over 3 times.
Jesus. Oh, check out this 240. This is the one with the, I don't know if you guys seen the video where, actually I'm not sure if I actually recorded. We was removing his engine, his 2JZ, from this old 240 to this new chassis, and we almost dropped the engine. Well, I almost tipped the engine over, but yeah, he finally put the hood on there. This new chassis is really nice. Can't wait to see it in action. Oh, you already put the new seats in? Oh damn.
Yeah, I had to.
Very nice. These are his new seats.
I sold the old ones.
Whew. Can't wait to see this in action this year. Oh, that red just pops, man. Damn.
I might change the color of the whole car.
You gonna wrap the whole car?
I'll probably do. I might hit it.
Really?
Yeah, I might do like graphite, metallic graphite.
Yeah. What happened to the VIP Beast? Where is it?
At home?
Oh, you on daily this now instead of that?
No, I drove the Murano today because customers gotta come pick it up.
Beth's car is done.
Just about. We ran into another issue.
Really?
The airlift hit.
God damn. Oh yeah, you told me. Oh, there's the Evo, guys. It's been about 2 weeks, a week and a half. Oh, here we go. So, Kiet got this done already. I got this from Showstopper in Jersey. He pretty much shipped it in like 2 days for me. So this is Stop Tech rotors and brakes as well. So we had to replace that because we kind of failed the, well, we didn't kind of fail, we failed the inspection because of the brakes and rotors. So the metal valve cover, so as you can tell, the engine's already, most of the stuff is apart. Carrie took the strap bar off, intake, and all the pipe. But the issue now is I got a new intake and new pipes, so we have to go change it up. Don't shop on Facebook Market at night. So I found a pretty good deal on this AMS intake right here, and also an upper intercooler pipe, lower intercooler pipe with AMS, so we could relocate again the Blvd. Oh my God, that's just beautiful. And also this is going to get installed as well. So
yeah, so
but
I decided on putting your
boost
your other no. So I was gonna do your air fuel ratio. I was gonna do your boost gauge right here,
yeah,
and then I was gonna go ahead and do your E85 gauge up here, just because that one is like kind of like passive. Like you don't really need to pay attention to one up in the corner. You just kind of let it run.
Yeah.
Since it was already in the lower corner, these two are gonna be the ones you pay attention to the most. You might as well keep your eyes focused in on your cluster.
Yeah.
So.
But like I said, we're gonna have to relocate this again into the new lower intercooler piping. And those pipings are white, so I have to retake that and get it powder coated the new color, which I'm gonna show you guys in the next video, as well as the metal valve cover. And then we also gonna have the catch can installed as well.
You're not the only. I'm not the only one with new seats.
Oh, I got new seats too. But check this out, guys. I'm gonna definitely show you guys more about it next time. But here's just a quick peek.
It's not bolted in all the way yet, but it's just mocked up just to get placement.
Bro, these seats are so fucking awesome. Good.
So I got your airbag module coming in soon. That way you don't have the airbag light. So all that's gonna get
it's hooking it up, bro. It's hooking it up.
That's all coming in next week.
As much he don't like Evo, he likes my Evo. He knows it. But yeah, once the cage get here, guys. So I got the Cusco 6.0 dash elite cage, so it doesn't go into the dash, so it's gonna hook up like this, so we're gonna get that powder coated as well. So can't wait for that to get in. But that's enough with the Evo. I don't want to show you guys too much because it makes the next video look pretty gay. So let's let's work on the truck. So we're gonna work on the running board for the truck today. So yeah, let's get it rolling. All right, peeps, let's open it up and see what it is. Well, I already know what it is, but
y'all don't know.
Y'all don't know.
So these are gonna be your step brackets. So
I think there's like 4 on each side or something.
Yeah. So you got your hardware, around hardware bracket. It's gonna be your actual step bars. So it's pretty good quality, actually.
It's $100.
That's really good quality. Hell yeah. That's not bad at all. I was gonna say, so the build quality for these is actually, for $100 you got a pretty good deal, because all the money spent to make this kit good is all gonna be in the bracket. So this could be made out of plastic. And if your bracket can't fucking handle that shit, then no dice. You're like I said, these come in plastic, these come in metal, these come in all sorts of different things, but the bracket is what holds the weight. So hey, we're good though.
Oh yeah.
We are good. We just gotta figure out which one's mid bracket, which one's front bracket, which one's rear bracket, and then
I'll let you figure that out.
We'll be done.
Yeah. That feels pretty good.
Like I said, it's good quality.
Oh, alright peeps, let's get this on first and then I'll show you some more. Alright, so this is the hardware that comes with it, peeps. I got spacers, nut, washer.
The spacer, the locking washer right here, and then we got the nut. We're gonna do 3 per bracket. So this should be the thread pitch right here. So that's good to go. All the brackets are, like I said, it looks like they're all the same. So we just they have universal holes cut for each one.
Yeah.
Sometimes they do that just to be easy with the design, so they don't have to manufacture 3 different fucking brackets. So that one, give me a locking washer, and then we'll torque these down the spec. And then we can.
How many? What's the torque thing? I heard it was like 30 foot-pound or something.
I was gonna say it's not much.
Yeah.
It's not much. It's not much at all. Oof. They should tell you in the directions, and if they don't tell you in the directions, then we'll look it up. But these just need to be snugged down. It doesn't need to be too tight.
So these how the brackets looks like, guys. Like that. Not too bad.
Yeah, the last hardware is gonna be pretty easy.
Should have got the step out of the box. Yeah, so I'll definitely put this link below. I got this for really cheap, around $100, give or take. It's like 130, I think. 100, about 100. But yeah, not too bad. I got it black because, like I said earlier, this is a black edition. Most of the things already blacked out. It won't look right if there's a little chrome on here. Plus, I don't like chrome anyway. So, well, yeah, let's go to help Kiet out. Put this on. Show you guys the end product, end result of this. So yes, installation is pretty simple. All right, peeps. Kiet pretty much when he finished and touched it on there. So we kind of sort of flush it a little bit, went out a little bit with it, and align it to this door liner right here and to the front. So give you guys a better view. I think it looks very good. I like it. Whew. Not bad at all. Not bad at all.
Yeah, so you always gotta weight test it. So
gonna weight test this.
So not everybody's heavy, and I don't know what the weight rating is, but you always step on it first, right?
Yeah.
Give it a little bit of a bounce. Nothing too crazy, but if you can hold me bouncing, then I can hold, you know, your wife stepping on it.
Yeah.
So if you can't hold you bouncing up a little bit, it's trash. It means it's not good.
Well, it holds you, so we're good.
Yeah. So
try and get this truck out. Dangerous. Oh boy. See the finished product, peeps. Look at that. Woo.
oh yeah.
Yeah, boy. You know, just the little things in life. This is especially for my wife since she's short. Loud ass BRT. Like I said, last time I was in this thing, we got a ticket because you got no airbags in the steering wheel. Ooh, very nice. All right, peeps, that's pretty much it for this vlog. All we did today was just install the steps. The Evo, like I said, like you see from the beginning, there's so much stuff going on. I can't wait to get it done, get it back from the shop. Right now, powder coating is happening. I'm grabbing the new parts, which is tomorrow, the intake, and also I got to get a sensor for the gauge. But yeah, just pretty much waiting to get everything back together, put on the Evo and get it back. And then we can take the Evo out and enjoy it a lot more, do some more videos, because I got a lot of videos idea out there, but I don't have the car and the truck. You know, like I said, it's my daily, nothing crazy going on with the truck. I don't do too much with the truck as well. So but yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it for the vlog, and I'll see you next time, people. Peace.